JavaScript. It's one of the most popular programming languages today. Maybe you're new to it. Maybe you've been using it for years. But you can't deny that some of the most important, some of the most widely used software in the world is written in it. But the question is, how well do you really know this surprisingly powerful, sometimes odd, and often beautiful programming language? Welcome to JavaScript, understanding the weird parts.
Hi, I'm Tony Alicea. I'm a 15-year veteran of web application development and user experience design, and welcome to this course. This course is on JavaScript. Let's be clear, right from the start. This course is not about making a web page interactive in jQuery or the in and outs of Node.js. This course is focused on JavaScript, the programming language. In this course, you're going to learn how JavaScript works under the hood. We'll delve into advanced concepts. You'll come to understand things that the people that built jQuery understand. And that will make you a better web programmer, a better Node.js programmer, or however else you'll be using your JavaScript knowledge. Perhaps you're coming from being a newer JavaScript programmer, or perhaps you've been using JavaScript for years, or maybe you've been involved in some other programming language and are coming to JavaScript. Either way, this course will help you to understand that JavaScript falsely looks like other programming languages. Languages like Java or C++ or C#. JavaScript is nothing like those languages. It's a different concept, a different mindset, a different paradigm. This course will help you to understand that. And while many programmers learning JavaScript or using JavaScript find some of its elements as they dig into the more advanced features odd or difficult to learn or weird, you're going to find that when you truly understand it, understand how JavaScript works and why it works the way it does, you'll discover that JavaScript is a deceptively powerful and beautiful programming language. And that's one of the reasons why it's so popular. Now that actually leads to my philosophy when it comes to learning code. My philosophy is this: don't imitate, understand. The biggest mistake I think people make in designing programming courses and in looking for programming courses and books and materials is looking for or providing just code to imitate. Now, don't get me wrong. Examples are very important. But examples, parroting, writing down the code that somebody else wrote for you on a screen or on a piece of paper, only takes you so far. As soon as you're in the real world and you have to debug a difficult problem, or you have to start some code from scratch that isn't anything like what you've seen in your examples, you're going to fall down. You're going to have problems. You won't be able to move forward. However, if you deeply understand what the tool is doing for you, and a programming language is just a tool, then you'll be able to debug those hard problems, come up with innovative and interesting solutions, be able to look at other people's really good code and understand it, borrow from it, or enhance it. So in this course, we'll look at plenty of coding examples, but we'll focus first on the understanding, the deep understanding of the programming language, so that then the examples make sense, and then you can use your knowledge in the real world in brand new situations. That said, it is expected that you have very, very basic JavaScript knowledge as you come into this course. So you understand what a JavaScript file is, variables, functions, basic understanding of functions. We're going to dive much deeper into functions through this course, and loops. Just the very basic knowledge a beginning programmer might have. If you have that, you're good to go. So let's get started. We'll dive in, and I think you'll come to appreciate this beautiful programming language, JavaScript, all the more. Let's understand JavaScript. Let's get started.